In a quaint little town, nestled amidst a verdant valley, lived a peculiar skunk named Sylvester. Known for his strikingly beautiful fur, Sylvester was adored by all, except for one thing: his peculiar scent. One day, a new family moved into town, the Smiths. Their young daughter, Emily, was a curious child, always eager to explore the world around her. One day, while playing in the woods, she stumbled upon Sylvester. Emily, unafraid, approached Sylvester, her eyes wide with curiosity. "Hello, Sylvester," she said, extending her tiny hand. "I've never seen a skunk like you before." Sylvester, surprised, replied, "It's my peculiar scent that sets me apart from others. Many people find it unappealing." Emily, however, saw beyond the scent. She saw a creature in need of friendship. "Sylvester," she said, "I don't mind your scent. In fact, I think it's unique and beautiful." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Emily and Sylvester became inseparable. They spent their days exploring the woods, sharing stories, and learning from each other. Yet, not everyone in the town shared Emily's sentiment. Some were apprehensive, others disapproving. The townsfolk, fearing for Emily's safety, approached her parents. "Emily, dear," Mrs. Smith said, "it's not safe for you to play with a skunk. They can be dangerous." Emily, however, stood her ground. "But Mom, Sylvester is not like other skunks. He's my friend." The townsfolk were taken aback. They saw Emily's persistence and realized their own prejudice. They began to understand that change is not always bad, and sometimes, the most unusual can be the most beautiful. From then on, Sylvester was no longer ostracized. He was accepted, respected, and loved by all. And as for Emily, she learned a valuable lesson: to see beyond the surface, to look deeper, and to embrace the unique beauty in every living thing. So, in the heart of the verdant valley, a change occurred. A change not just for Sylvester, but for the townsfolk as well. A change that taught them to accept, to understand, and to love, no matter how different someone might seem. And so, the story of Sylvester the skunk serves as a reminder that beauty is not defined by the eyes, but by the heart.